Let's answer questions about the situation represented by the equation h of t equals 2 plus 30 times t minus 5 times t squared. This represents the height, as a function of time, of a pumpkin that was catapulted up in the air. Height is measured in meters and time is measured in seconds. If the pumpkin reached a maximum height of 47 meters, then how many seconds after launch did it happen? One way to solve this is by using the quadratic formula. Start by setting the equation equal to the max height of 47. Then subtract 47 from both sides. The equation becomes 0 equals negative 5 times t squared plus 30 times t minus 45. Using the quadratic equation, a equals negative 5, b equals 30, and c equals negative 45. Substitute these values into the quadratic formula. Now begin to simplify. The answer becomes t equals 3. What if someone disagrees with you? How can you prove that t equals 3 is the answer? Here are two different ways to show that t equals 3 is the answer. To check this answer, substitute 3 in for t in the original expression. This gives 47. Another way to prove the answer is to look at the graph of the equation. Graphing y equals negative 5 times t squared plus 30 times t plus 2 and y equals 47 shows an intersection is at the point 3, 47. So, when the height is 47 meters, the time is 3 seconds.